Hello and welcome to Mabul Shark Week. My name is Professor Stephen Oakley and I work for the Tropical Research and Conservation Centre based on Pom Pom Island, which is about 70 kilometres from Sipadan and 30 kilometres offshore from Semporna. We are in the Coral Triangle, which has more species than anywhere else on the planet. There are many more fish, corals, crabs and other species on reefs in Sabah than there are on the Great Barrier Reef. Coral Triangle from Philippines, Indonesia, all the way across to Papua New Guinea. This should have perfect, pristine, biodiverse reefs, but they have been damaged. Unfortunately, many poor fishermen have taken reefs that look like this, biodiverse, many species, lots of nooks and crannies, habitat niches and spaces for lots of species to live, and they've destroyed them. The reefs have been destroyed by blast fishing. It's a quick, easy way to catch fish that don't take a hook, that are on coral reefs and so are difficult to catch in nets, and the end result is a destroyed reef. No species, little biodiversity, not a very interesting place for divers, and certainly not productive for fishermen. One of the things TRACC does to create new reef is to make bottle reefs. Glass bottles are not recycled in Sabah and so are a readily available resource. Cement is easy to come by. The fish like the hiding places, and the corals like the support and stability. Making bottle reefs requires mixing cement. Sand is available. Bottles are available from most resorts, nightclubs, bars, even the kitchen. Lots of people use all sorts of bottles, and we recycle pretty much everything into reef. We load them onto the boat, and when the boat is full, on the way, off we go. We have a new coral reef heading for fish. We put the bottle reefs underwater, and then using lift bags and some serious teamwork, we move them into place. In the background you can see bottle reefs that are on the bottom ready to have corals planted onto them. When the bottle reefs are in the right place, we assemble them into larger structures. Step reefs are steps and piles on a reef slope. The ribbon reef is now 150 meters long, and we are just starting to make it a double row, and that has been very successful in attracting small fish, larval fish, onto the whole reef island structure. The coral biscuits, we take fragments from blast fishing sites, anchor damage, turtle damage, even diver fin damage. We plant them in cement to make a biscuit, and then the biscuits are planted in and amongst the bottle reefs to create this bigger, larger structure. Crate reefs like these are bigger structures designed for bigger fish, slightly deeper depths, and areas of high current. They create oases in large areas of rubble. Step reefs are heavier and easier to grow corals. You can see the biscuits planted in the biscuit holders have started to spread and create quite large coral structures. The spaces under the blocks become homes for cuttlefish, octopus, blue spot ribbon-tail rays and other small predators. Ultimately, we hope to see sharks such as this white spot bamboo shark moving into the reefs and becoming part of our biodiverse, healthy ecosystem. Our goal is simple: a protected reef for sharks. But to achieve that, you don't just need the shelter, you need the food. And that's where these yellow fusiliers or these small barracuda are going to make a difference to larger, more pelagic, not bottom living sharks. And we're hoping that these will move in the near future. The amazing changes we have seen on the reefs where we work would not have been possible without the help of all the conservation biologists and divers who have volunteered their time to help rebuild coral reefs. So thank you for watching and thank them for caring.